MasterShots. Before flight, observe your surroundings carefully and make sure to choose an open, unobstructed space. After takeoff, adjust the aircraft to your desired height and position. Tap the shooting mode icon on the right side of the camera view. Select MasterShots. After selecting the subject, the aircraft will automatically select one of the 3 flight routes based on subject type and distance: portrait, proximity, landscape. Using MasterShots. When a person or vehicle appears in the frame, tap the plus in the camera view or drag a box around the subject. If choosing an object as the subject, simply drag a box around it. Tap the down arrow icon at the bottom of the screen to expand the menu. Set the corresponding parameters based on your surroundings. Tap Start to begin shooting. Exiting MasterShots. During shooting, tap the red icon on the right side of the camera view, or press the flight pause button on the remote controller once. The aircraft will exit MasterShots immediately and hover. Using the editor. When using RC N3 remote controller, after shooting is complete, tap the playback button to preview the footage. Tap Select MasterShots template. More templates are available for creative editing.